Thursday, guys. Maulan. So, hatid lang namin si Jayden. Tapos, punta na kami sa appointment for this little guy. Little guy. For this big guy.
Little boy.
Little pa ni Oy. Good morning, Daddy.
Morning. Off to school. Love you, Dion.
Bye,
God
dear.
bless na.
Love you. See you later, ha?
Love you na. God bless na. Take care.
Love you, Diha. Hatid na namin si Jayden, guys.
Look out, here she comes, the woman that I love. It's too bad she'll never know. Yeah, I can't tell her how I feel, because she has someone who makes her happy. I'm a ghost in these walls, or at least I try to be.
Morning, guys. Dito pala kami ngayon sa ortho ni Jacob. And it's only 8:32. Tapos yung appointment namin is 9:30. O diba, napakaaga namin. Nahatid na namin si Jayden sa school. And Jacob is off. Dahil nga sa appointment niya. Finally, guys, after how many years of waiting, makabitan na si Jacob ng kanyang braces. Kasi hinintay na magiging siya daw, yung teenager ba. Dito na kami, guys. Someone is excited. Ha? Aso na? Oh. Malapit lang kami, guys. Diyan lang kami nakapark. Medyo maaga kami today. Baka naman pwedeng maaga din sila mag-start. Third floor. Your last smile, be? Without braces, be? Smile? Bibi. You're so tall, Bibi. Fuji. Nata ko na, Bibi. How tall are you? Alam na. There. There. Do you need me to go with you? You're fine, baby? Okay. Sobrang laki na ng guys, pinagbago dito kasi dati hanggang dito lang yung nila. Ayan. Diyan na lang. Parang half, ito na yung waiting area nila. Sa waiting room nila dati 6 lang yung magkasya. Ngayon, sobrang laki na, guys. Look. Hanggang dyan, mga office na yan sa doctor. Tapos ito yung waiting area nila. Ang dami ng makaupo. Ayan yung doctor ni Jacob, Dr. Howe. Ayan yung ortho nila dihe.
Stay, pero you can go at the
Jacob, just message us when you're done.
Ang
Okay?
message lang.
Thank you, Ted. So, nandun na si Jacob, guys. I'm so excited for him, though.
Wait, baka akong braces.
Oo, nga hindi man.
Pwede na covered.
Covered sa imo. Kaya ako, covered ako sa Sun Life. So, sa Pacific Blue Cross. Pero, ikay mo bayad na sa half. Kay sa Sun Life, di man sila mo cover kung adult.
Really?
No. Mo lagi nakato akong co-worker. Ay, hi Dr. Howe! Ortho ni Jacob.
Hindi, order yun yung may-ari.
Ay, oo. Ortho may-ari.
Yun yung may-ari.
Yun yung ortho ko from me, tapos si Jayden, tapos si Jacob now. I know, yung sa kanila guys, hindi siya gaano ka Unsay tawag ana dadi ka comfortable kay ang ikay mo bayad sa kuan. Hindi siya for me lang guys. Sa place wise from our place going here convenient siya. Yung ano lang yung minus lang for me.
Wala silang direct billing.
Oo, hindi lang sila nagda-direct billing. You have to pay first and then i-ano mo na lang reimburse. So, yun lang yung hindi convenient pa. For me lang ha. Kapag nasubmit namin sa
Madali
insurance, oo, madali lang naman nag-refund yung insurance company ni daddy tsaka sa akin. Yun lang yun.
I'm pretty sure a lot of the customer prefer direct billing kasi
Oo.
ano na yun eh, yung parang
Yun na yun na talaga.
less headache, di ba?
So, punta na kami ngayon sa Richmond Center. Doon na lang kami mag-intay ni Jacob. Sobrang aga pa dito. Walang tao. Nasaan? So cute. Oh. Imong kuan de oh. Daddy Arrow. Straw and cleaning brush. Cute ani oy, reusable straw. Ka-cute pang Valentine's.
It's funny kay di ba gyud na nagmatcha?
Yeah.
I'm not a big fan of matcha. I tried matcha sa una, I don't like it. Pero kani siya tungod siguro sa mix na. Kaya may character.
Ito na guys. Dubai chocolate matcha.
May next one.
Hmm? Wala na mix. I-mix taro.
Good.
Gustong gusto niya yan.
My favorite. I can drink this all day.
Wow.
Every day. Knowing the matcha.
Ayaw niya kasi matcha. Hindi mo ko din na naka-strong ang matcha, no? Unsa man, hindi siya nga na nakatamis. Lagi. Kaya wak mo na mix. Napa man ang chocolate here. Ah. Lagi, hindi ko ma-mix pa ako. Okay na? Or ang gihapon?
Ang gyapon pero pila ko kuwang gid ang kuan.
Ang chocolate?
It's a hard thing to know that your soul will stay hollow. Even if I know that nothing lasts forever, it's not easy to let go. Can you love me again? Can things ever be the same? All I do is see things slipping through my fingers when he turns and walks away. Yes, there he goes. There he goes. All the things I wanna say, and maybe he'll listen someday. I know it is not enough to say I'm sorry. Didn't beg him to stay, so there he goes.
who's here. It's here. Yan na si Jex. Tired ka, Jake? Sige, open ang mouth.
Not really. All I could focus was pain.
Spain, yeah. It's like that man, Jacob. Kay braces. Yeah. So, saan na tamo to?
Mazda, what they choice. Yeah.
Bibi, you eat na lang nga. Guys, andito na kami sa Richmond Center sa food court nila. Pinapakain lang muna namin to si Jacob bago sasakit yung ngipin niya. And doon kami umorder sa sa Edu. Tapos ito yung favorite niya doon. Even si Diha loves this one. Chicken yan. Tapos ito pala yung niya, binigay sa ortho niya. Tingnan natin kung ano yung laman. Oh, orthodontics vanilla bean. Saan ni? Ano siya guys? Lip balm. Meron din siyang pouch. Soft fix. Wax pala. Kung may wire na nagpupuk sa inside sa mouth, you can put this one and it will help you. And ito, interdental brush. Na-open na siguro, pinapakita kung paano to gamitin. Toothbrush. Yan yung laman guys. So, ito.
Buy 3 pieces na may ganito naman yung price.
Oh.
Take one.
Take one. Ito, popcorn chicken. Asa mo popcorn chicken?
Popcorn sa
It's off? Sabi? Nga. I like the color, baby. Is it yayay na? Not yet.
It hurts a little bit.
Little bit. You can't bite into anything. No.
Just an update.
And I just have to sign it with my name.
Oh, yeah. Any.
Yeah. Just say pick up for Gems. Nag-order online, tapos pipick upin niya. Gusto daw niya mag-chat time while mag-walking. Yeah, just wait. Yeah. Jacob, sa kaya mo tanga name dito. Ayan.
Parang sa kasama mag-ride sa habang wala.
Kahit saan. First time. Kailangan na matuto to guys kasi malaki na to. You did it. Good job. Oh, smile Dayon, smile. You wanna walk around while drinking your kuan?
Thank you.
Huh? Let me see lang gabi. Brown sugar, pearl crema.
I can't find here.
Blue? Maple blue?
Yeah. Can't find here.
Did you see na?
Light blue.
The same color pag first day you have the braces no?
Light blue pa din na.
Yeah, ano to yung name ana lang ga?
Here, like pull down and damage it. So they put that thing there so I can't play it.
So you can't bite down and kuan
bite
yang
blocker.
brackets. Oh yeah, bite blocker di ay. Wag lang
They called it turbo.
Oh, turbo.
Booster, I forgot.
Bite
Is it-
blocker.
Is it either turbo or booster? I forgot what it's called.
Anchas.
Yeah. Pick up na namin si Diha guys. It's
We're going Opentas.
3-3. After doon sa Richmond guys, umuwi kami. Lang, freshen up kasi si Jacob parang hindi na siya comfortable sa kanyang braces. Marami na kasing pumapasok na maliliit na rice sa niya, retainer. So, kailangan na i-floss. So, kaya umuwi kami sa bahay. Tapos, bihis. Tapos, pick up na si Dia. Andito na kami ngayon sa IKEA guys. May bibilhin si Daddy.
Been doing that for 2 years, you know.
Guys, dito na kami sa IKEA. Kain na naman. Want chicken balls?
You know, macho because I haven't clarified it.
Ay, mga matangkad na sila. Masarap to guys, Dane, chocolate. And then ito cream cheese. Yan. bebe. Ayan, plant ball nachos, oh. Bago lagi na nila daddy, no? Try namin yung ano, guys, chicken balls kay Jacob. I got this one, guys. This for water. Putin for D, ha? Daku asad anak lang ga, Chicken balls for Jacob. I got this one. Kani siya kay vegetable yan siya lahat, guys. Nakalimutan ko lang yung pangalan niya. Mushroom soup and daddy's coffee. Masarap to, guys. Ito yung gustong-gusto ko dito. Tapos pares ng garlic bread nila. Pero unfortunately, wala silang garlic bread. Wow, that looks so good.
Which one?
So, ito, fish daw yan, guys. Cod fish. Tapos salad,
Kale with lingonberry,
french fries, at saka
tartar sauce.
cod. Di ba kaya nalang sino? Kila ba?
Delete lang siya. Manay ba ang cod?
Oh,
Yeah. Ang salmon ka na may ana.
really? Unsay mong gituslo? Ah, tartar sauce.
Kailangan ko. Kailangan
Good. Hindi siya langsi.
Jacob, I use the back teeth and this is the part where the braces. I try to go as far back in the molars as possible, so I can still like.
Sa
brush
daw
and
pagkaon, paano daw kumakain? May
I
problema.
wasn't ready.
May problema na siya, guys. Sakit na kayang ngipon.
The food I love has turned me to fear.
Kuha na niya problema. Ha? Unsa lang ga?
Was really wanted to be here for you.
You guys pray for Uncle because Uncle was at the emergency room. He's sick and he got a very big cut on his
Ay.
and he needs to be
Sa knee, di ay? Okay.
Not me, sa uncle ako. Likod sa uncle.
It's also like that drink when I first had it.
Yeah.
Had a lot of.
But you will get used to it
adjustment.
now.
Yeah, I think you get used to it fairly quickly. For me, I think I got used to it less than a month. Not a month, less than a week.
Mm. Kaya na, guys. Vegetable inside. So after here, check namin sa baba kung meron silang yung monitor stand. Yung medallion, ito yung laman. Basta vegetable to lahat, guys. Ito na yung ano, guys, chocolate cake. Ooh.
Or my teeth.
Chicken balls.
Butter
Butter chicken balls. Oh, kita rin mga ni.
I don't wait. Just.
Mami, did you eat your lunch? Bubol. Daddy's looking for that balo. Totoo. Dito na kami, guys, sa warehouse nila. Ito, nindot lagi ni Daddy. Dito kami, guys, sa kanilang office section. Oh, kana, nice food na. Nice na, Daddy. Pero mas nindot to kaya akay pwede mabutangan sa mga kanang ubos. Unsa na, para asa na imong gidala-dala? Butanganan. Dalawa eh.
Mannequin.
Wait, is this? Wait. I thought that was index.
You know that's how. What happened?
What?
Mura magkuan na ka nun sa...
What is?
Just make it look weird.
Yun sa nga na. Gilang yun yung ibinuangan. Unsa mo daay ni? Ah, accessory stand. You sit down there, you pretend you're playing. You know? You're like a gamer ba?
What is this? Is this for the car?
Yeah, I think so lang ba.
Wait, it looks like it's for like air fighting shit.
But if it's just your mouse, it's not too futuristic.
Well, intense. It's fake.
It's got like push this button.
But you're playing two games at the same time.
No, if this is for fun,
Yeah, yung mga eyes like ang left eye na diri, ang right na here. There's two.
that's actually
That's how it is.
Niluto ko doon, anak.
It's mag.
Amazed kay sila dito. Mau na na, daddy? Doon na naman sila sa kamay. Huwag sila ka-let go sa kamay, oy. Oh.
the power to be able to do whatever that's happening.
Sakto siguro ni I don't know.
Pwede po ko ginagawa na wala sila table na.
Wala na sila space para magkuhan. Di, after lang yun magkuhan, kanang maggamit sa keyboard, suksok lang yun. Gamay ra kay space ang table. Something kuan siguro di nipis. Bato taas ra kay sa atong lamisa. Ang problema mo taas sa lamisa, useless. Dili mas taas sa lamisa bo like
Ako problema ni bisag nga ni tato ka.
kay gamay ra beto ang kuan sa stand, murag ano
Very
yung
nice,
square ang
Very ito.
yeah. Naka-renovate man sila dire. No? Wala oh. Asa man ang mga baligya nila gipang butang? Or new kuan ni siya dire? Oh yes. Baby, Jacob, come here. Who's taller? Ooh, unsa? Yeah, tabi can say taller. Lord. Uy, because you're so forward. Niya si Mami. Uy. Niya si Mami. Uy. Oh.
I don't think this one's reliable.
Here, no, reliable na eh. Dia. Here, dia. Oh, you smile there. Yeah, smile with with the giraffe. Na, kinsa gali na sa ingon ana nga Mario?
Toad.
Yun na. Bayad na kami guys and pauwi na. Ito lang yung nabili natin guys sa IKEA. Wala kaming nakita, wala kaming mahanap na patungan stand sa computer. So ito yung box para sa mga bagay-bagay ko, lagayan ng mga bagay-bagay.